When Jennifer Aniston and Jim Curtis went out together for the first time, it wasn't just another celebrity sighting. Rather, it was a subtle, significant declaration of something steadily developing in Aniston's life. Aniston has always taken great care to protect her personal life in a town where every romance makes headlines. Because of this, her and Jim's attendance at the All Women in Hollywood event felt unique and almost emblematic of their growing bond. Aniston walked the red carpet by herself, so it wasn't the red carpet that made the evening memorable. Rather, it was what transpired within the event. Her whole energy changed, according to witnesses, as soon as she sat down at the table with Jim. She appeared at ease, grounded and content. Jim is described by those who are close to her as having a very serene demeanor and not trying to act, impress or shine. In the words of one friend, Jen has met a lot of men, but Jim is the first who doesn't try to act like a Hollywood character. He's simply himself. Aniston seems to be drawn to him precisely because of his honesty. Jim, a hypnotherapist and wellness professional, has made a career out of assisting people in achieving clarity. Acquaintances claim that Aniston is profoundly affected by the same calming influence. They claim that he makes her feel safe, something she hasn't experienced in a long time. He's steady, a source revealed. He's grounded. When the world becomes noisy, he's the one who tells her to keep a deep breath. Those who were present at the event could see Jim's gentle support. Jim leaned in and gave Aniston a little grin when she became tearful during a tribute. This was a non-verbal but reassuring gesture that only a close friend or relative could comprehend. Long before the general public became aware of it, they had been developing a quite emotional bond for months. Aniston's on-stage introduction by Adam Sandler also provided a glimpse into how their inner circle views this new phase. "We are all just really happy she found someone who brings her peace," he remarked in a friendly, light-hearted manner. It wasn't theoretical, but it was genuine, and Aniston's timid smile spoke more than words could. Friends claim that their relationship isn't based on glitz. Simple routines, extended chats, and leisurely evenings are more appealing to them than the frenzy of celebrities. They go on grounding walks, meditate together, and frequently prefer quiet evenings at home to large gatherings in Hollywood. They operate on the same emotional frequency, said a close friend. It's genuine and uncommon. Even their Instagram debut was modest, with Aniston calling Jim cherished in a sweet birthday greeting rather than making a grandiose announcement. The little romantic gesture said a lot for someone as private as she is. Jennifer Aniston has had both sad and public love tales. However, Jim Curtis appears to bring something completely different into her life: stability, emotional warmth, and a level of calm that she hadn't publicly embraced in a long time. Perhaps that's why this particular moment was significant, not because they posed for pictures, but rather because she subtly and organically shared a glimpse of her delight with the world once more.